Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 28th of June 2024. So bonds, bullion, Bitcoin and big tech, apart from Nvidia, were bid yesterday despite macro meltdown. The US macro surprise index to its weakest since January 2016. US stocks eked mild gains amid data and soft yields, while participants breaks for the PC data out today. And the dollar slides and stocks little changed as traders brace for PCE. Let's have a look at the news. Well, the PCE news is out today at 1:30. That's what they're all referring to there. It's forecast to be slightly better than forecast as well. What else have we got? CPI at 7:45 from the French and the Spanish at 8 a.m. And then Chicago PMI and revised UN consumer sentiment from the US there as well. Right, let's have a look at yesterday and kick off with the Dow. So yesterday the Dow moving to the upside, still struggling there a bit with the 5-bar moving average, a bit of buying around, but the momentum certainly dropped off. We are, like I say, heading into the quieter season for the market. Certainly shown there in the Dow. The last couple of days the volatility's really dropped off compared to Monday and Tuesday there. In 30-minute chart for yesterday, we had a bit of a move to the upside, and then we came all the way back down. Overnight prices are above the close in the DP and the 50 EMA, the 20-bar moving average in the 5, but still got resistance at that 200 MA, which the market, once it broke again, continued back to the downside. So a bit of resistance in the Dow there. In the German DAX, in a sideways range, you can see that there now. It's starting to form quite nicely. And in the 30-minute chart there, choppy one, but managing to get to the top end of the channel that is in the daily chart and holding there as well. Above the DP, it's got the 200 MA at the DP as well. A great support area should the market move down to that area first thing. And also the 50 EMA there as well. And then it's 20-bar moving average is struggling a bit there with the close and yesterday's high at the moment. In the S&P 500, well, we're still charging towards the all-time high, and it's wouldn't be surprised today to actually see this happen. So could be reporting on Monday a new all-time high in the S&P. Still very strong, as it can be seen here. Market up, a bit more up there, but didn't fall out of bed like the Dow did at all yesterday evening, and then the market above yesterday's high already, so showing strength. All of the averages in the right order there as well for the S&P 500. Meanwhile, in the UK, still stuck in a sideways range there as well for this market. Down yesterday, but sitting just above the 50 EMA at the moment, trying to hold at this level. And the 30-minute chart prices were up initially and then just moved down to the lower channel in the daily chart there. Currently above the DP and the close, but struggling with the 50 EMA, as can be seen there. Now in the headlines, yesterday's the dollar was down, but managing to recover, and overnight prices starting to move to the upside, which obviously is going to put pressure on the metals. And it's Friday, and the last two Fridays they've managed to sell silver off. So let's have a look at the metals market. So in silver yesterday, the market managing to hold above that 28.64. I'm not convinced that it's going to hold, and if the dollar does carry on today, then we can expect this market to break the 28.64. And like I said already, Friday seems to be the day now where they like to move this market to the downside. So watch out for that, particularly with the PCE data out at 3 p.m. as well. 30-minute chart, it managed to move to the upside, but as you can see, overnight already is starting to trend down. It's got to stay above the DP if it is going to be allowed to move up, and also the 50 EMA and the 20 there as well. In the gold market, an 89% retracement, market up, pulling back and then finding support at this level. And in the 30-minute chart, a nice move, as it said in the headlines yesterday, that gold was bid along with Bitcoin. Overnight, the market sideways, finding support above the DP and the 200 MA as well, which is really important in this time frame. In the gold-silver ratio, yesterday we were up, and overnight we're heading down at the moment as silver is gaining a bit faster than gold. And in Shanghai, the price is currently trading at 32.66. $4 lighter in London, as can be seen there at 28.87. So just over, just under $4 difference there. Right, let's have a look at the markets for yesterday, see what happened. So yesterday morning the market was already making its way to the upside in the pre-market session, and these moves seem to be the case at the moment. Then when the cash market comes on board, we don't get much of a move. We saw the market move up 25-30 points in that first bar, and then just managed to move a little bit higher before running out of steam. We had a potential buy signal that wasn't filled here, and then prices just drifting back down there, as you can see. Then we had the news yesterday, and then prices just staying in a sideways range until we got to the US Open, which we can see there, with the market moving to the upside, and then moving back to put in a short before the news, which failed, of course, as the market came back and put another high in, and then continued to move higher on the positive news there, which you can see. And then eventually the market making its way down with the Dow, as it remained sideways to lower. Notice the support there at the DP and the 200 MA for the DAX just after the 4 p.m. cutoff period there, and then prices just trading sideways to higher. So important areas when you see these in the chart, 200 MA and a DP there. Right, quick look overnight, see how far away we are from the high of yesterday, which looking at the chart isn't too far. The only issue is the close and the 200 MA there, which offer a bit of resistance. If the market moves high, you'll need to drive through with some big bars there. The average is also in the right order for the short side in this time frame at the moment as well, but it looks like the market is finding a bit of support there to try and attempt to move higher. Okay, that's it for this one. It's also the last one for the week, so have a good weekend, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next.